In this video, we will clean the plastic panels and find the faulty micro switch. First, let's clean the contamination on the plastic panels. To do this, we will disassemble the button that opens the door. The micro switch sticks when returning to the open position. This is one of the most common problems associated with a blown fuse. The problem is this micro switch. It's covered in grease, and the return to the initial position is delayed. Use any grease cleaner to clean the switch. Now it's working like it's supposed to. Just in case, let's check the operation of this switch. Yeah, it's okay. Reassemble in reverse order. Stretch the spring a little. Lubricate rubbing plastic parts with silicone grease. Now it clicks on easily and without sticking. Remove any residual silicone grease. Let's put the switches back on. It's done. Now you can do the fan repair in the next part.